Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Move IQ, where we break down the latest moves in the stock market and what they mean for your money. Today, we've got big news. GameStop just bought 4,710 Bitcoin. Yep, that's right. The same GameStop that lit up Wall Street in the meme stock craze is now diving into crypto. Let's unpack what this means for GME stock, and whether this is a bold innovation or just another hype move. The big announcement? On paper, this looks like a bold strategic play. GameStop just announced it has added over $300 million worth of Bitcoin to its balance sheet. Why? The company says it's looking to diversify its assets, and with more cash than debt and a current ratio over 8, they definitely have the liquidity to take some risks. This isn't just a small experiment, it's one of the biggest Bitcoin purchases we've seen from a retail-focused company outside of tech. Why GameStop is doing this. Now, let's be real, GameStop's been trying to reinvent itself for years. Brick-and-mortar retail is tough. They've tried NFTs, digital collectibles, and even dipped their toe in Web3. This Bitcoin buy feels like another move in that direction, staking a claim in the digital future. It's also about branding. This company wants to be seen as forward-thinking, and betting on Bitcoin is one way to send that message loud and clear. Investor reaction and stock performance. So far, the market seems to like the news, at least in the short term. GME stock is up nearly 25% in the past week. But here's the thing, according to some analysts, the stock is already trading above fair value, which could mean the rally is more about hype than fundamentals. Plus, we can't ignore the risks. Crypto is still extremely volatile, and if Bitcoin takes a dive, it could hit GameStop's balance sheet hard. The good, the bad, and the uncertain. So far, the market seems to like the news, at least in the short term. GME stock is up nearly 25% in the past week. But here's the thing, according to some analysts, the stock is already trading above fair value, which could mean the rally is more about hype than fundamentals. Plus, we can't ignore the risks. Crypto is still extremely volatile, and if Bitcoin takes a dive, it could hit GameStop's balance sheet hard. Context. More moves behind the scenes. This Bitcoin buy isn't the only headline. GameStop just announced a $1.3 billion convertible note offering, and they plan to use the funds for general purposes, which includes crypto. Meanwhile, CEO Ryan Cohen is facing a lawsuit tied to trades in Bed Bath & Beyond. Add to that, a rebranding in Canada back to EB Games, and you've got a company juggling a lot of big moves, some strategic, some risky. Thoughts and takeaway. Here's my take. GameStop's Bitcoin purchase is a bold signal. They're betting on the future of digital assets, but it doesn't magically fix their business model, and it definitely raises the stakes for investors. If you're bullish on crypto and believe in GameStop's transformation, this might be exciting. But if you're risk-averse, tread carefully. This stock could stay volatile. What do you think? Is GameStop becoming a futuristic digital company, or are they just chasing headlines? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to stay ahead of the next big market move. I'm your name, and this is Money Move IQ, where smart money makes smart moves.